On this video today, I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to promote your digital product so that you can get many sales and then a lot of profit. This method is one of the best because it does not require any skills, it does not require any experience. Everything is very easy and you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. In my previous video, I showed you how you can create a digital product like this. You can see this is an ebook. I showed you step by step on how you can create a simple ebook like this and then sell it so that you can be making money from home. You can see this is the ebook. You can create an ebook like this on your Google Docs. Once you create it, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. File. Once you click on file, select download. Once that is done, select any format that you want so that you can download your digital product. So for example, let's download it in a PDF format. So click on it, PDF document. Once you click on it, it is going to be downloaded and you can sell it at any price that you want. Once you download it, you can see this is the ebook. You can see everything. You can see everything. This is your ebook. You can sell it to make money from home. After you have downloaded it, I showed you a lot of different platforms where you can upload and sell your digital product for free. One of them is seller.co. Seller.co is one of the best platforms where you can sell your digital product. I also showed you Gumroad. I showed you Lemon Squeezy where you can sell your digital products. In my case, I use seller.co, so let me log in for you to see. I showed you step by step on how you can upload your digital product on seller.co. I showed you how you can upload the images, the price. I showed you everything. You can see the description. I showed you everything, and then the rest. I showed you everything that you need to know about uploading a digital product on seller.co. Now, once you have uploaded your digital product and published, the next step is that you have to sell it. That is the most important aspect, because if you have a nice digital product and no one sees it, you are not going to be making any money. So I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source where you can use to sell your digital product to make money from home. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is easymob.com. Easymob is one of the best advertising networks where you can advertise your digital product to get many people to buy it. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can do on the website. It is a popular platform, so if you promote your digital product on this platform, you are going to get many people to click on your link and then make a purchase for you to earn a lot of money. It is available worldwide, so any country that you want, you can target it using easymob.com. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can be able to advertise the link of your digital product on this platform. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, advertiser registration. You have to sign up for an account as an advertiser. You are not a publisher, you are an advertiser. So select advertiser registration, click on it so that you can be able to create your free accounts. Once you click on register, you have to enter your username, email address, first name, last name. You can enter your contact. Once that is done, you have to enter your password, repeat your password, accept the terms and conditions. Once that is done, click on register. Once you click on it, you can be able to get access to a free account that you can use to advertise your digital product. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, manage campaign. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to create a campaign. You have to begin advertising the link of your digital product. So click right here, campaigns. Once you click on it, you have to select the type of campaign that you want to run on the platform. You can see they have push notification, pop under, floating push, and then display. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select push notification. So click on push campaign. Once that is done, you have to give a name to your ad. So let's type something like 30 days mail plan. Just type any name that you want. Once that is done, you can see add vertical. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select the category that you want to post your ad. You can see these are all categories. Select the appropriate one. You can see a whole lot of them. Select any of them that you want. In this case, we are promoting a mail plan, so select health. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see when do you want to start a campaign. You have to leave it at the default. You want our campaign to start running immediately the administrator approves it. So just leave it like this. If you select the second option, it means if your ad is approved, you still have to log in to switch it on so that it can start running, but in this case, we want it to start running immediately it is approved. Once that is done, you can see total budget. How much are you willing to spend on your ad? So you can test the platform with any amount that you want. Let's say $20. You can say $50. It depends on the amount that you want. Once you enter the total budget, the next step is that you have to enter the daily budget. How much are you willing to spend on your ad per day? So you can enter any amount that you want. You can enter $10, you can enter $20. It depends on any amount that you want. Let me select $10. Once that is done, you can see default CPC, the cost per click, the amount that you are willing to pay per every click that you get. You can see the default is 1 cent. That is the amount that you are going to be charged per every person that clicks on your link. In this case, I want to increase it so that I can get a lot of traffic. So let's increase it to 9 cents. Once you enter the cost per click, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see how would you like to spend your daily budget. You can see evenly, and they have as soon as possible. The evenly means your ad is going to run for the 24 hours per day. As soon as possible means this website can spend your money at any time that they want. In this case, I want my ad to run throughout the day, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see campaign limit. You can see conversion per day. If you want to limit the number of conversions that you get, you can enter it right here. But in this case, I'm not going to do that. Clicks per IP. How many times can a person click on your ad? So let's leave it at once. Once that is done, impression per IP. How many times can a person see your ad within 24 hours? So let's say 3 times. We want a person to see our ad 3 times per day. If they see the ad 3 times per day, they might click on it. If they don't click on it, it means they don't like the product. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. Now, once that is done, you have to select the countries that you are targeting, the locations. So what we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to be targeting the tier 1 countries. The tier 1 countries are countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. They include Canada, United Kingdom, United States, Australia, New Zealand. Those are English-speaking countries where you can get people who have high purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to target those locations. So first of all, deselect all locations. Once that is done, you have to now select the location that you want. So we want US and Canada. Once that is done, we also need Australia. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Western Europe. Once you click on it, you can select a country right here. You want United Kingdom, so scroll down and then look for United Kingdom. You can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once you select the United Kingdom, the next step is that you have to search for Australia. When you scroll down, you can see Australia. Click right here. Once you click on it, you have to select Australia and then New Zealand. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, select yes selected so that the countries can be selected right here. See the countries that you have selected. So these are the locations where your ad is going to be displayed. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You can see time targeting. You can select the time that you want your ad to run and the time that you do not want your ad to run. But in this case, we are not going to target any time. You want our ad to run throughout. So just leave everything at the default. Once that is done, you can see operating system, the devices that you want your ad to run. In this case, we want our ad to be displayed on all these operating systems. So click right here, yes selected, so that you can select all locations. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see the device type. They have desktop, mobile, tablet, and the rest. In this case, we want our ad to be displayed on any device. So just leave everything at the default and then click right here, select yes selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see device brand. We are targeting all device brands. So click right here and then select yes selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see browsers. You can see the different kind of browsers. We are targeting all. So click right here, select yes selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see connection type. We are targeting any type of connection. But if you want, you can target any of these. In this case, we are targeting any, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see carriers, the countries. If you want, you can select any country that you want. But in this case, let's select all. So let's select yes selected. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click right here, next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. If you want to blacklist any website, you can do that. If you want to whitelist any website, you can do that, and many others. Just leave everything and then click right here, next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. You can see title. So this is where you are going to paste the title of your book. You can see description. This is where you have to paste the description of your ebook. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on your ebook. Once you come back, copy the title. Once you copy it, you have to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy the description of your ebook. So let's copy some small portion of it. Let's copy this. Let's copy this portion of it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see destination link. This is where you have to paste the link of your ebook. Once you paste the description, the next step is that you have to paste the link of your ebook right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Google, highlight, and then copy the link of your ebook or any digital product that you are selling. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the link of your ebook, the next step is that you have to upload an image that is related to the content of your ebook. So in this case, our ebook is about meal plan, so you have to search for an image that is related to that. Once you download your image from Pexels, you have to design it to meet at least one of these size requirements. You can see the size requirement. You have to design it so that it can meet any of these size requirements. So now what you have to do is that you have to open Canva. Once you open Canva, click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, select choose path. So what you have to do is that you have to select your image, click on open. Once you click on open, you are going to see your image like this. Click on use in a new design. Once you click on it, select custom size. Once that is done, you have to enter 300 pixels by 300 pixels. So you can see it right there, 300 pixels by 300 pixels. As you can see, when you come back, you can see the size right here, 300 pixels by 300 pixels. You can see it right here, 300 pixels by 300 pixels. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create new design. Once you click on it, you can see your image has been designed. Now what you have to do is that you have to right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you have to scroll down and then click right here, set image as background. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it has been fully designed. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, share. Once you click on share, the next step is that you have to click right here, download. Once you click on download, you want to download it as a PNG file. So click right here and then select PNG. Once that is done, click on download. As you can see, the image has been downloaded. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back on your ad, click on upload main image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once you click on it, you can see the images. Select any of them that you want and then click on add. As you can see, that has been done. You can see your image right here. The next step is that you have to click right here, upload icon image. Once you click on it, select the same image, click on open. As you can see everything, you can deselect all of them or you can choose any of the size that you want and then click on add. Once that is done, your image has been uploaded. You can see it right here. You can see your images. You can see the image has been uploaded in many different sizes. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit ad, so that you can publish your ad onto the platform. So click right here, submit. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, finish, so that your ad can be published onto the platform. Once you click on it, you can see your ad has been published onto the platform. You can see everything that you've entered. You can see the total budget and the daily budget. Now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that this website, they can use it to run the ad for you to get people to click on it and then purchase your ebook so that you can be making money from home. To deposit money into your accounts, click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. So if you want, you can deposit the money through PayPal, you can deposit the money through credit card, Payoneer, and the rest. Any method of payment that you want, you can use it to deposit money into your accounts. The minimum deposit is $100. So all that you need to do is that you have to enter $100. So enter $100 right here. Once you enter the $100, select the method of payment. Once you select it, click right here, pay now. Once you click on pay now, you can be able to deposit money into your account so that they can spend the money on your ad for you to get many people to click on it. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.